Microgreens are young vegetable greens harvested shortly after germination, typically within 7 to 21 days. These nutrient-dense plants are gaining popularity for their intense flavors, vibrant colors, and exceptional health benefits. Microgreens are widely used in salads, garnishes, and smoothies, making them a staple in upscale culinary establishments. Their short growth cycle, high market value, and adaptability make them an emerging segment in modern agriculture. Microgreens are categorized based on their plant families. Here are the most commonly grown types: Brassicaceae, also known as the mustard family. Examples include broccoli, kale, radish, and arugula. These have a peppery flavor and are rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Next, we have Asteraceae, or the sunflower family, which includes lettuce and chicory, known for their mild and sweet taste. The Apiaceae, or carrot family, gives us dill, carrot, and fennel, which are aromatic and often used as garnishes. Amaranthacea includes beet greens, Swiss chard, and amaranth, offering an earthy flavor and high iron content. Lastly, Poaceae, the grass family, features wheatgrass and barley grass, which are popular for detox smoothies. First, let's talk about seed selection. Use untreated, non-GMO seeds specifically labeled for microgreens. Popular choices include sunflower, pea shoots, radish, and basil. Next, we have growing mediums. You can use soil, which is rich, organic potting mix, or opt for hydroponics, which involves growing on mats made of jute, coconut coir, or hemp. Aeroponics is another method using misting systems for root hydration. For environmental conditions, light is crucial. Use grow lights or natural light for 12 to 16 hours a day. The optimal temperature is between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and humidity should be maintained at 40 to 60% for healthy growth. When sowing and watering, spread seeds evenly over the growing medium and cover lightly with soil or a second tray to simulate darkness. Mist daily to keep the medium moist, but not waterlogged. Finally, for harvesting techniques, harvest when seedlings are 1 to 3 inches tall, usually within 7 to 21 days. Use clean scissors to cut just above the soil level, then wash gently and pat dry before packaging. Let's start with market demand. There is a rising consumer interest in superfoods and health-conscious diets. High demand exists in upscale restaurants, health stores, and urban markets. Moving on to investment and operational costs, the initial setup can range from $500 to $5,000 for small-scale operations, including trays, seeds, and grow lights. Monthly operational costs include water, electricity, and seeds, averaging between $100 to $500. Now, for revenue opportunities, the retail price for microgreens can range from $20 to $50 per pound, depending on the variety. This offers a potential profit margin of 40 to 60%, even for small-scale growers. Hydroponics ensures efficient water use and faster growth cycles. AI monitoring systems utilize sensors for temperature, humidity, and light adjustments. Vertical farming maximizes space in urban settings. IoT integration allows for remote monitoring and automation of watering and lighting. Let's talk about some of the challenges. High initial costs can be a barrier, especially with advanced systems like hydroponics. Market awareness is another issue, as there is limited consumer knowledge in some regions. Pest management can also be tricky, with microgreens being susceptible to mold and fungal diseases. Now for the solutions. Opting for DIY setups can help reduce costs. Conducting awareness campaigns can educate people about the nutritional benefits of microgreens, and using natural pest repellents along with maintaining proper ventilation can help manage pests effectively. Water efficiency is a key benefit of microgreens farming. Hydroponics uses 90% less water than traditional farming methods. Another important factor is the reduced carbon footprint. Since microgreens are often grown locally, this significantly reduces transportation emissions. Additionally, minimal land use is a major advantage. Vertical farming allows for cultivation in very small spaces. And lastly, waste reduction is achieved by composting unused stems and roots. Let's take a look at some successful microgreens farms. First, there's Farm.1 in New York City. They use indoor vertical farming with hydroponics and supply microgreens to Michelin-starred restaurants, achieving over $1 million in annual revenue. Next, we have Urban Cultivator in Canada. They specialize in fully automated indoor gardens and target both residential and commercial markets. Lastly, iGrow in India focuses on affordable hydroponic setups for urban households, promoting microgreens as a sustainable food option in the country. For those interested in diving deeper into the world of microgreens, here are some valuable resources. Microgreens market insights can be found on Statista at https://www.statista.com/. For more on hydroponics and vertical farming, check out https://www.verticalfarm.com/. And for case studies of successful microgreens farms, visit https://www. This guide provides a structured and detailed overview of microgreens farming, catering to both aspiring entrepreneurs and established farmers. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of microgreens.